This video will cover the role of a Wazuh SOC Analyst, presented by Boni Yemin. Wazuh is an open-source CM and XDR platform. It's used by security operations centers to collect logs, detect security threats, investigate incidents, and monitor compliance. Wazuh acts as the eyes and brain of a society. A Wazuh SOC Analyst is responsible for 6 core areas: log collection and visibility, alert monitoring and triage, rules and decoders understanding, incident investigation, active response and containment, and reporting and documentation. Log collection and visibility is the first step. Wazuh agents are deployed across various systems, including Windows, Linux, servers, web, and database servers. The logs collected include Windows security events, Linux authentication logs, application logs, network and firewall logs, and file integrity monitoring data. The Society Analyst's responsibilities here are to ensure logs are received properly, monitor agent health and connectivity, and verify correct time synchronization. The second core area is alert monitoring and triage. Wazuh generates alerts based on rules. Analysts must review alert severity, validate the source, assess asset criticality, and determine if an alert is a false positive or a real threat. Third, the analyst needs a strong rules and decoders understanding. Decoders parse raw logs, and rules detect malicious behavior. Analysts must know why a rule was triggered, how to customize rules, and how to reduce false positives. When an alert is confirmed, the analyst moves to incident investigation. This involves building an event timeline, correlating logs, mapping activity to the MITRE ATT and CK framework, and extracting indicators of compromise. The fifth area is active response and containment. Wazuh supports actions like blocking malicious IPs, disabling compromised users, killing malicious processes, and host isolation. These must be executed carefully to avoid business disruption. Finally, reporting and documentation requires the Society Analyst to prepare detailed incident reports. Reports should include what happened, the event timeline, root cause, evidence, impact analysis, and remediation recommendations. Required core Society skills include Windows and Linux log analysis, networking fundamentals, understanding the MITRE ATT and CK framework, CVE and CVSS, the incident response lifecycle, and basic RAIDX knowledge. Wazuh-specific skills involve knowledge of the Wazuh architecture, rule severity levels, decoder logic, the Wazuh dashboard, file integrity monitoring, and the vulnerability detection module. A Wazuh SOC Analyst is more than a tool operator. While Wazuh shows what happened, the analyst explains why and how it happened, requiring critical thinking and a proactive mindset. A real-world example. Upon an SSH brute force alert, the analyst checks the source IP reputation, validates the target user, confirms login success, and recommends firewall blocking or account hardening. The career path for a Wazuh SOC Analyst typically moves from Level 1 monitoring and triage to Level 2 investigation and Level 3 threat hunting, often leading to roles like Blue Team Engineer or SOC Manager. This video was provided by Boni Yemin, a cybersecurity engineer focusing on Society and Blue Team at Akish Group.